Webinar: The Technique of Estimating Refractive Power Without Retinoscope. Saturday, 30th of November 2024. Time 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Entry fee 50 taka. Bkash 01842704384. Webinar ID 826614445794. Meeting Passcode BAO. Concluded by and Chief Guest Professor Dr. Hasan Shaheed, FRCS Glasgow, MRCOphth London, DO Dublin, FCPS I Founder and President Emeritus BAO. Member American Academy of Ophthalmology, Professor Dr. Mizanur Rahman, Special Guest Keynote Speaker Nishita Afrin, BOPTM CUMPH, DHAKA, Former Assistant Course Coordinator, University of South Asia, Scientific Secretary Bangladesh Academy of Optometry, BAO Panelists, Kamal Uddin, B.Optom, MOPTOM, India, MPHO, Unisa, Fellow, LVR, PICO, Pakistan, LVPEI, Hyderabad, India, NFP Training, HKSB, Hong Kong. Consultant Optometrist RGC and Super Specialty Eye Hospital, Panthapath. Head of Optometrist and Course Coordinator, X. Isfahani Islamia Eye Institute and Hospital, Dhaka. Panelists, Apurvayan Biswas MS Optometry, MBA Optometrist and Health Technology Entrepreneur Founder, Eye Care, Executive, LV Prasad. Eye Institute, Center for Technology Innovation and BioNest Incubator. Panelists, Naeem Mahmood MOPTOM DBU, Punjab, India. Consultant Optometrist, ZEISS Vision Center. Gulshan by OPSIS, Dhaka, Bangladesh. Panelist, Menka Sharma. Optometrist, AIMS New Delhi, XIIT, Delhi. Moderator, Maud Ali Ahad, MPH Community, Ophthalmology, General Secretary, Bangladesh Academy of Optometry, BAO. Chairperson, Mat Ratan Ali Molla, MPH Community Ophthalmology. President, Bangladesh Academy of Optometry, BAO. Thanks to M.A. Wadood Sir, Aristo Vision, Bangladesh, and Mr. Ali Akbar Sir, Friend Surgical, Bangladesh.